Let's go to the analytics page to look at the statistics. You can already see many interesting things like number of views, watch time, subscribers gained, and estimated revenue in the last 28 days. Look at the subscribers chart. Since we implemented the strategy to land more subscribers, you can see how the chart stabilized, which is amazing. 519 subscribers gained in the last 28 days for such a small channel is a very good number, if you ask me. But I'm sure this number will keep going up. If we change the view to the last 90 days, you can see the chart has a clear upwards trend. Exactly what we want. Let's go now to the content section. Feel free to stop the video and take a closer look to the video's statistics. But for the moment being, I will sort them for number of views and pick a good performing video so you can actually see how my videos look like.
Now, once you're here, you want to click on the bottom right to go to your profile page.
I've seen many YouTube gurus, professors, or whatever you'd want to call them, that tell you how much a niche is paying, but they don't actually show you proof directly from their YouTube studio page. And this is exactly what I'm going to do next. As you can see, these kinds of videos are super simple, short, and easy to create. All the process related to creating the videos is outsourced to freelancers. So you can have lots of ample time for things like researching more video topics, new income ideas, spend quality time with your loved ones, travel, or do whatever you'd like to do. Let's go again to the analytics page. As you can see, this part of the video was recorded in the morning of the same day. This is why the subscribers number doesn't match. So don't pay too much attention to that. Let's keep going. Here we can click on the estimated revenue tab to take a look at the chart. You can see it's pretty stable. This is why we say search-based channels are one of the most stable sources of passive income. The dip you can see here, it's because that day I changed AdSense accounts, so for half a day the channel didn't generate any income. We can select the 90 days view so you can have an even better perspective. You can see the channel got monetized exactly 28 days ago, which wasn't planned but works perfectly for the sake of the video. Take in consideration that at that very moment, I had around 350 videos published, of which I'd say I created around 100 by myself, meaning I paid for 250 of those videos. On average, I'd say I've paid like $1.80 per video. Currently, I managed to generate videos for as low as $1.25. You can learn how to do that and so much more by enrolling into my Udemy course for just $12.99. We scroll down. Let's take a look at the top content in this period of time. Here, you can see the average view duration and the number of views generated. You can see there's a combination of languages. We can do this with this kind of channel because we are not relying on the algorithm to generate a profile of our target audience and get views through the browse page and suggestions. For this kind of channel, we are relying on people searching for these terms, and if we make a video that retains the viewer attention, we will eventually rank high on the results page irregardless the language of the video. A quick tip, video games and social media apps are good topics to generate lots of views and gain authority for your channel. Finally, let's take a closer look into the revenue page. Here you can see more than just the chart. If we scroll down, you can see things like how much you are earning by month, content performance, which lets you know your top earning videos, how you make your money, which separates your income between different sources of income like regular videos or short form videos. Let's see those CPMs. We click on see more and this window opens. Here we can see lots of interesting info like the estimated revenue per video, RPM, CPM, watch time, AVD, and more. I will start to scroll down. My best performing video is related to video games and it's in Spanish, but it gets so many views that it's by far the best performing video revenue-wise. Here you can see some videos with very good RPMs like this one, which is related to a bank. And even though it's in Spanish, it has an RPM of $11.52, which is great. Here's another video with a good RPM. How to delete Cash App account in Spanish. I will keep scrolling down. Take into account this window is only showing the 50 best performing videos. What do you think? There's plenty of work to do with this channel. We should start focusing on publishing videos with high RPM, but for starting, uploading these kinds of videos helped us to get monetized faster and gain authority. Now, I'll leave a clip running about how editing a search-based video looks like, while I tell you that if you would like to work closer with me, you can contact me via email. If you would like to learn everything you need to start a channel like this one by yourself, I'll leave a link to my Udemy courses on the description down below. See you soon.